Can you download songs from Spotify? Hey guys, in today's tutorial, we're going to find out if you're able to download songs from Spotify. First thing you have to do is open up Spotify app, and once you are here, all you have to do is make sure that you're logged in. Once logged in, you are going to have to find a song that you want to download. So here I've got this song. Now if you want to download the song, you'll have the download option there if you tap on the three dots. But if you don't have the download button, then that means you don't have premium, because only Spotify premium users are able to download the songs. However, there is one thing that you can try. So go ahead and go to your playlist or your library first, add few songs to your playlists, and then you can find the download button here, and it's going to add these songs to your episode. So you're going to be able to stream this whenever you want. So that's basically it, guys. That's all you can do in order to download the songs. But if you want to download it to your phone or to your storage, then you are going to need to have a Spotify premium account. That's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below, subscribe to our channel, turn on the bell icon to get notified about latest contents, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.